Prepare to have your perception of travel completely transformed. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile masterpiece, a futuristic mansion designed to conquer the road in unparalleled style. Welcome to the ultimate journey in luxury and innovation. Let's step inside. Our first stop, the heart of this mobile marvel, a kitchen that defies expectations. Boasting cutting-edge integrated appliances, a dark, high-gloss finish, and ambient lighting. This space is designed for the gourmet on the go. Imagine preparing a feast while a new panorama unfolds outside your window with every mile. After a day of adventure, retreat to your private sanctuary. The master bedroom, a testament to modern luxury, features a king-sized platform bed and panoramic windows that transform into an intimate haven. With sophisticated lighting and premium finishes, every night is spent under the stars or city lights in absolute comfort. Indulge in a spa-like experience, no matter where the road takes you. This spacious washroom offers a walk-in rain shower with mood lighting, a sleek marble vanity, and intelligent design. It's a testament to how every inch of this motorhome is crafted for comfort and elegance. Gather around for a meal in a dining room that blends sophistication with breathtaking scenery. A grand table awaits, framed by expansive windows that offer ever-changing views. Whether it's a casual breakfast or a formal dinner, every meal becomes an unforgettable event in this exceptional setting. For entertainment, descend into the exclusive snooker room. Custom-built for precision and pleasure, this space invites friendly competition and relaxation. With bespoke design and ambient lighting, it's the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy a game, all within the confines of your moving mansion. Experience cinematic magic on the go in your very own private theater. This dedicated cinema room boasts plush reclining seats, a massive screen, and surround sound, creating an immersive viewing experience. It's the ultimate escape, allowing you to enjoy your favorite films in unparalleled luxury anywhere in the world. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement. A fusion of ultimate luxury, cutting-edge technology, and boundless freedom. It redefines what's possible in travel and living. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary tour of tomorrow's journey today.